These aren't predictions, these aren't rankings, these are riders to watch. Welcome to 2026 Pro Racing. From Temecula, California, standing 5'7", weighing 155 pounds, entering his 5th professional season, a 2-time 250 Super Motocross champion, a 2-time 250 Pro Motocross champion, the 2025 West Coast Supercross champion, Hayden Deegan. From Newport, North Carolina, standing 5'7", weighing 145 pounds, entering his 14th professional season, a 3-time 450 Supercross champion, Cooper Webb. From Lemoyne, Illinois, standing 6 foot, weighing 170 pounds, entering his 11th professional season, a 450 Supercross champion, a 450 Pro Motocross champion, Chase Sexton. From Cortez, Colorado, standing 5'10", weighing 175 pounds, entering his 18th professional season, a multi-time Supercross champion, a multi-time Pro Motocross champion, Eli Tomac. From Edgewood, New Mexico, standing 5'10", weighing 165 pounds, entering his 17th professional season, the 2018 450 Supercross champion, Jason Anderson. From Hamilton, Ohio, standing 6 foot, weighing 185 pounds, entering his 12th professional season, a former Pro Motocross champion, a Premier Class race winner, Aaron Plessinger. From Hudson, Florida, standing 5'10", weighing 165 pounds, entering his 13th professional season, a Supercross champion. He's now established in the 450 class, RJ Hampshire. From Mastead, Germany, standing 5'10", weighing 160 pounds, entering his 16th professional season, a 450 Pro Motocross champion, a multi-time Supercross race winner, Ken Roxon. From Sunshine Coast, Australia, standing 5'10", weighing 175 pounds, entering his 8th professional season, a Pro Motocross champion, a consistent winner across Supercross and outdoors, Hunter Lawrence. From Landsborough, Australia, standing 5'11", weighing 165 pounds, entering his 8th professional season, a 450 Supercross champion, a multi-time 450 Pro Motocross champion, a multi-time Super Motocross champion, Jet Lawrence. This is the Moto Stool. Drop a prediction in the comments. Follow for more moto.